sad here. So when Motorola announced they would revive their classic Moto Razr, albeit with a folding display, Samsung quickly announced at their developer conference that they'll do something similar and showcase this rendered video. And today we got the first look of Samsung's take on the vertical folding phones, courtesy of live hands-on images that have been leaked on the Chinese social platform Weibo. As you can see, it looks exactly like the video they showcased last month, a punch hole display with small uniform bezels all over, kinda like the iPhone XR, but of course with no notch. The display is 6.9 inches, similar to the upcoming Galaxy S11 Plus, and the interesting thing is the device has a 22:9 aspect ratio, which means it's going to be a really tall device. The Moto Razr and also Sony's Xperia 1 both have 21:9 aspect ratio. That means the Galaxy Fold 2, or whatever Samsung's gonna name it, will be the tallest smartphone that has been ever created, which is okay since it folds, so it's not really a big deal. Also at the back, it has a dual camera setup. There's no way this is 108 megapixel. Bloomberg said that the Galaxy Fold 2 will also get the 108 megapixel camera as well as the 5x optical zoom. But looking at it, I don't think it's the case here. Maybe they got it wrong because the last time we heard, this device is expected to be very affordable, somewhere around $850. Considering how expensive foldable displays are right now, it's an affordable price. So also fitting a 5x periscope zoom camera as well as the 108 megapixel camera in that price range made me really skeptical about it. But we got our answers today. It will have a dual camera instead and probably a 12 megapixel sensor similar to the one we have on the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy Note 10. I can understand why they are going with this setup. Just like I've said, they need to keep the cost down. Samsung wants to sell at least 6 million of these phones, and they can't do it by pricing it over $1,500. They need to cut corners somewhere, and camera I guess is one of those corners. But that doesn't mean it's gonna have a bad camera. It probably is gonna be the S10's camera, which is one of the best out there. That said, there's also a display at the outside when you fold it. Earlier reports said it's gonna be a 1-inch display, and it does indeed look like a 1-inch display. It will be used to display notifications and information like time. I don't see the fingerprint scanner anywhere, so maybe it's gonna have an in-display fingerprint scanner, or it could be at the side because the sides are blurred, so you never know. Samsung will unveil this handset alongside the Galaxy S11 in February, which is just a couple of months away from now. Again, this is going to be an affordable foldable smartphone. It's crazy that I'm calling an $850 phone affordable, but considering the tech involved, even $900 would be pretty aggressive for a folding Samsung flagship. Let me know your thoughts. Would you buy this and give foldable phones a try? Or are you interested in the actual successor to the Galaxy Fold, which is a phone come tablet, which for your information will be launched in the second half of 2020? Do let me know what do you think down in the comments. And as always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.